Welcome back to Silicon Degree. Today, we are diving deep into one of the biggest IT outage in the history. On 19 July 2024, a massive Microsoft glitch sent shockwaves around the globe, affecting flights, bank, stock market, and the broadcaster. In this video, we will unravel the timeline, the cause, the impact, what is the blue screen of the death, how to fix it, and the lesson learned from the unprecedented event.
It all started earlier in the morning when reports began to flood in the various parts of the world. Users were experiencing the dreaded blue screen of death, or simply BSOD, on their Windows systems. The glitch seems to be spread like a wildfire.
On July 19, 2024, millions of Windows users across the globe experienced sudden system shutdown or restart due to BSOD error. This issue was traced back a recent update on CrowdStrike Falcon sensor. The impact was widespread, affecting airlines, banks, stock markets, and other.
Banks struggles with this system outage, leaving customers stranded and unable to access their funds. Even major broadcasters went dark, unable to transmit their scheduled programs. Airlines were forced to ground their flights, causing massive disruption at the airport. Checking systems went down, forcing manual processing and causing delays. Indian airlines like Akasa Airways and Indigo took to social media to inform passengers about the outage and the temporary manual check-in process.
Many users face issue with the screen stuck on recovery page showing message like "It looks like window didn't load correctly. Restart my PC below." This problem has caused widespread disruption across multiple sectors. In aviation, both India and major US carriers like American Airlines, Delta and United issued a group stop due to a communication failure. This led to a significant travel delays and cancellations. Banking sector has also been hit hard with the system outage, blocking the access to the account and transaction, causing major inconvenience and financial loss. Emergency services including helpline and hospital system have also been affected, complicating the delivery of critical healthcare services. The tech problem has also affected the media companies, with the Sky News in UK going off air due to the outage.
The US Secretary of Transport stated that the department was monitoring the flight cancellation and delayed issue, emphasis that the airlines need to meet their responsibilities to the passengers.
Microsoft responded by saying they were taking mitigation actions after the service issues. In a post on X, formerly Twitter, they mentioned our services are still seeing continuous improvement while we continue to take mitigation action. Microsoft also said, "We remain committed in treating this event with the highest priority and urgency while we continue to address this lingering impact for Microsoft 365 apps that are degraded the state."
Now let's talk about the blue screen of death, or BSOD. Blue screen error, also known as the stop core error, occurs when a critical issue forces to Windows to unexpectedly shut down or restart. You might see a message like "Windows has been shut down to prevent damage to your computer."
This error can stem from hardware or software problem. If you have recently installed new hardware and encountered a BSOD, try to shutting down your PC, removing the new hardware and restarting. If restarting is difficult, boot your PC in safe mode. For detailed step, refers to the instruction on starting your PC in safe mode in Windows. Additionally, make sure your Windows is up to date with latest patches through the Windows Update. You can also seek assistance from other sources or restore Windows to a previous restore point if needed.
How to solve this issue? The Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT) of the central government issue an advisory explaining how to resolve this issue. The issue occurs in the latest update of the CrowdStrike, and the update has been reverted back by the CrowdStrike team. If the hosts are still crashing and unable to stay online to receive the channel file changes, the following steps will help you to fix this issue. First, boot your Windows into the safe mode or Windows recovery environment. Second, navigate to this address which is in C drive, go to the Windows, then System32 folder, then drives, and then CrowdStrike directory. Third, locate the file matching name C-000000291.sys and then delete it. Now finally, boot your system as you do normally. CertIn has issued an advisory on Microsoft outage caused by the CrowdStrike update and rated it as critical severity.
So, what we can learn from this? First and foremost, rigorous testing is crucial. Even minor updates should undergo extensive testing to identify potential conflicts. Secondly, disaster plans must be in a place. Organizations should have a backup plan to mitigate the impacts of such outages.
Finally, the transparency and communication are the key. Microsoft prompt response and the clear communication help to manage the crisis and restore the trust. While this outrage caused significant disruption, it reminds of the importance of the regular updates and system maintenance. Stay informed, stay prepared, and thank you for watching us. Be sure to subscribe for more updates and tech insights.